Are you ready to connect your family through Apple Family Sharing? In this tutorial, I'll guide you step by step on how to add an Apple ID to Family Sharing in 2024. Let's dive it. Step 1. Open Settings. First, grab your iPhone or iPad and open the Settings app. This is where all the magic begins. Step 2. Access your Apple ID. Next, tap on your name at the top of the screen to access your Apple ID settings. Step 3. Set up Family Sharing. Now look for the Family Sharing option and tap on. You'll see a prompt that says set up your family. Go ahead and tap that. Step 4. Invite family members. You can invite family members in a few ways. Via iMessage. Tap on invite family members, enter their Apple ID and choose to send an invitation through message. In person. If they are nearby, you can invite them directly on your device by having them sign in with their Apple ID. Create an account for a child. If you need to set up an account for a child, just select that option and follow the prompts. Step 5. Confirm invitations. Once you have sent out the invitations, your family members will receive a notification. They just need to accept it to join your family group. Step 6. Manage family sharing settings. After everyone has joined, you can manage settings like shared purchases, location sharing, and parental control right from the sharing menu. And there you have it. Setting up Apple Family Sharing is a straightforward process that allows you and your loved ones to share purchases and stay connected. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tips and happy sharing.